So the first one that I want to talk about is the demolition using surroundings import. So these surroundings imports can come from a drone scan, from any other types of services that you use to import that a better shape for the surroundings for your scenario. But sometimes, usually, what we suggest is that you open those elements and those scans first on Blender because you want to see them, and then there's instructions on our web page, on our user guide, on how to do that. But basically, what I'm trying to say here today is that let's say that I'm going to work with this building over here. I'm going to demolish this building, and then I'm going to go and build something else new at this area, right? So you can still bring in the surroundings, and in Blender or any other software like Recap or something like that, we suggest that you take the building that you're going to demolish and you remove it from the main model. So you can do something like this in Blender where you can separate the selection of elements that you have. And now you can see over here in my tree structure that I have two different elements, right? So okay, I just created an opening on my site to show the stage of that area of that model once you demolish that part. So this can increase the graphics and the visual impact of your simulation a lot. And if you want to go even further, there are some tools in Blender and other softwares where you can slice this into in like smaller pieces so you can show the staging of your demolition as well. So this is something that we usually suggest for customers that are working with like more detailed demolition steps and so on and so forth. Cool. So always know that like you can do some pre-processing of the model to slice them better before bringing them to cmBuilder. This is something that we are actually going to add to the platform quite soon, where we're going to be able to go and draw like a line and then split an imported model and imported mesh according to that line. So this, what we would you still need to do this as a pre-processing. It will be added to the platform in the future.